Hi friends, let me show you my new foot massager mat. As you can see, it has 19 intensity levels. It has 8 different modes. This is the main unit that you will connect to the to electricity, and it's a USB-C port. You connect this main unit here to this connection ports. Let me get rid of this plastic, okay? So first we have to charge the main unit because you cannot use it when you are charging it, okay? So let's charge the main unit and then we're going to test it. Okay friends, so we are going to test our foot massager mat. You have to use your bare foot, okay? Bare feet, okay? And you're going to snap the main unit in the mat like this. Okay? You are going to press this middle button 2 seconds so it's on, and you're going to put your feet on it, okay? Okay. Okay, so it feels like really soft electric massage or electric current. It's really relaxing. Okay, you can change the intensity or the kind of massage or therapy that you're receiving, okay? You want to start with a low level until you get used to it. Okay, this is like a pressure setting. It changes. Let me, of course, I mean, you're not going to be able to feel it, of course, but it changes. I'm hearing pressure, and now it's acupuncture. I'm using the level 3 to test it. You can go up to 19. The unit has 8 different massage modes and up to 19 intensity levels. I'm using level 3 as this is the first time I use it, so I get used to it. It's kind of a new sensation, a new feeling. It's nice, it's fun. Okay, well, you can relax with it. I really recommend it if you want to relax for a while. It will be on for about 15 minutes and then it will auto shut off. So a 15-minute massage session, it's great to relax and to recover your energy. Great, thank you.